you don't get confused. And what happens is when you get a stall letter, sometimes what will happen is you'll send another letter out thinking that's the letter that they responded with, when actually it's an automated letter. So now you just send another letter out, which pushes that 30 days to another 45 to 30 days, because you just overrided the last letter you sent out because you were confused, right? You see how they do that? They play you along, and then you're like, man, this sucks. It's not working. You give up. That's what they're working on. They want that. They want you to give up. They make money from you. You've got to learn to be smarter. You've got to have a better process. You've got to understand that there's systems involved, right? There's systems, there's processes, and what does system stand for? Save yourself time, energy, money sooner. Save yourself time, energy, money sooner. That's what a system is.